Well, comes in a handy dandy little case that I guess you could do that. This phone's Android 4, so it won't do anything special like this. Yeah. Old camera. What's this? It's the HS440. So it's not too bad for a $60 drone. The Holy Stone, holy moly, Holy Stone. I think it's the HS430 or 440. It's not the GPS drone. It's the. But we'll give her a shot here. Alright, hold down the button till it blinks. Hold down that. Should be paired. Then, see, that's a gyro, calibrate, and motor's on. Now they claim this thing's got a 20-minute flight time. And I'm not very coordinated. And the wind's blowing me away. It's not very noisy. Well, let's see, it claims its resolution is 1920 by 1080 on the card in the drone, and 1280 by 720 if you store it on the mobile phone. What is that? 25 frames per second. As you see, it's windy enough for tweakers to go sailing. So it has two speeds, high speed, low speed. I couldn't fly it on the low speed in this wind. It was just gone. But the high speed, it seems to handle it okay, even with my total lack of skill level.